Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 8th class mathematics assignment number 54 related to the topic surds, right? Here is the first question. Rationalizing factor of numerator of this one. What is numerator? 9th root of xy. Numerator is 9th root of xy. What is the rationalizing factor of 9th root of xy? We know mth root of a power n is a surd. Then rationalizing factor of this monomial surd is mth root of a power m minus n. Mth root of a power m minus n. So here you assume this xy is 1, xy is a. So mth root of a power n. What is the rationalizing factor? RF rationalizing factor is 9th root of xy whole power m minus n, that is 9 minus 1, that is equal to 9th root of xy whole power 8. This is the rationalizing factor of 9th root of xy. So the correct answer is option 4, 9th root of xy whole power 8. Now coming to the next one, rationalizing factor of 11th root of 12 power 7 into 5 power 10 is same. RF of rationalizing factor of 11th root of 12 power 7 into 5 power 10 is equal to 11th root of 12 power 11 minus 7 into 5 power 11 minus 10, that is equal to 11th root of 11 minus 7 4 into 11 minus 10 5, that is 12 power 4 into 5, 11th root of 12 power 4 into 5. So option 2 is the correct answer. Same, the simplest rationalizing factor of cube root of 192 is, so cube root of 192. Now we want to find simplest rationalizing factor. First you simplify this one, that is cube root of this 192 can be written as 4 into 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 32, right? That is equal to cube root of 4 into 48 can be written as 16 into 3, that is equal to 16 into 3, 16 into 4, 64, right? This 16 into 4, 64. Cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 3, 4 into cube root of 3. So cube root of 192 is equal to 4 into cube root of 3. Now we want to find rationalizing factor of cube root of 3. So RF is nothing but rationalizing factor of cube root of 3 is equal to cube root of 3 power 3 minus 1, that is equal to cube root of 3 square, that is 9. So rationalizing factor is cube root of 9. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, if rationalizing factor of cube root of 5 is multiplied by rationalizing factor of 5th root of 2 cube, then the result is. So first rationalizing, I want to find rationalizing factor of cube root of 5 is equal to cube root of 5 power 3 minus 1, that is equal to cube root of 5 square, cube root of 5 square. Now the rationalizing factor of 5th root of RF of 5th root of 2 cube is equal to 5th root of 2 power 5 minus 3, that is equal to 5th root of 2 square. Now we want to find product of these two, but these two are dissimilar surds, means these two are different orders, right? This order of this surd is 3, order of this surd is 5. Now we convert these two surds in same order, So for that take LCM of 3 comma 5. LCM of 3 comma 5 is equal to 15, right? So order 15, we convert these two surds into order 15. So cube root of 5 square is equal to 15 root of 5 square whole power 5. 5 comma 15th root of 2 square is nothing but whole cube, right? So this is equal to so now we want to find product, right? That is 15 root of 5 square whole power 5 is equal to 5 power 10 into 2 square whole cube is 2 power 6, that is 15th root of 5 power 10 into 2 power 6. So the correct answer is option 2, 15th root of 5 power 10 into 2 power 6. Now coming to the next one, rationalizing factor of 15th root of 23 whole power 11 into 2 power 10 into 5 power 13 is. So rationalizing factor, that is RF of 15th root of 23 whole power 11 into 2 power 10 into 5 power 13 is 15th root of 23 whole power 15 minus 11 into 2 power 15 minus 10 into 5 power 15 minus 13, 15 minus 13, that is equal to 15th root of 23 power 15 minus 11 is 4 into 2 power 15 minus 10 is 5 into 5 power 15 minus 13 is 2, that is 2 square. This is the rationalizing factor of that one, that is 23 whole power 4 into 5, 2 power 5 into 5 square, 15th root. Option 1 is the correct answer. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.